Did you know that millions of bags vanish into thin air at airports every year? Not lost, not delayed, stolen. And the worst part? You might be next. Think about it. You check in your luggage, hand it over like a trusting little lamb, assuming it'll magically reappear at your destination. But what if it doesn't? Right now, there's an entire underground industry profiting off stolen luggage, right under our noses. We're talking millions of dollars worth of belongings gone, every single year. But today, you're not going to be a victim. Because trust me, by the end of this, you'll know 9 foolproof strategies to keep your bag safe from even the sneakiest airport bandits. But before we jump in, make sure to subscribe so you'll never miss the latest travel updates. First things first, we gotta talk about your luggage game. Not all bags are created equal, my friends. Some are practically begging to be broken into. Avoid those soft-sided bags like the plague. They might seem convenient, but a thief with a sharp object can slice through that fabric like it's butter. You want a hard-shell case. Think polycarbonate or aluminum, the kind of material that makes a thief say, nah, not worth the effort. And double zippers? Non-negotiable. Those single zipper bags are practically an open invitation for trouble. Here's a pro tip. Look for bags with anti-theft interlocking zippers. These bad boys are designed to make a thief's life way harder. We're talking about cutting those theft attempts in half. And lay off the external pockets, all right? I know they're super convenient, but they're also super convenient for someone who wants to snatch your stuff. Keep it sleek, keep it minimal. Less is more when it comes to deterring those sticky fingers. Okay, guys, time to get real. There's this sneaky little tactic thieves use called the pen trick, and it's as simple as it is effective. They take an ordinary ballpoint pen, wedge it into your zipper, and bam, they're in. It's enough to make you want to travel with a safe on wheels. But hold on, don't panic just yet. We got this. The key is to make your zippers as impenetrable as possible. That means investing in luggage with anti-puncture zippers. These things are like armor for your belongings. And for the ultimate peace of mind, consider going zipperless. Yeah, you heard me right. Zipperless luggage uses latches or combination locks, making it a whole different ballgame for would-be thieves. Sure, it might cost a bit more, but can you really put a price on peace of mind? Alright, let's talk TSA-Approved locks. I know what you're thinking, Casey, those things are a joke, right? And yeah, some of them are flimsy and easy to break, but here's the thing. A locked bag sends a message. It tells a thief, hey, this might take some time, and time is something they don't have. Go for a tamper-resistant, heavy-duty lock. None of that cheap plastic crap. Look for combination locks over key locks. Because let's face it, losing a key on vacation is like a rite of passage. And if you want to go full Fort Knox, add a cable lock to the mix. This secures your zippers to a fixed point on your bag, making it a real pain in the ass for anyone trying to get in. Trust me, a little deterrence goes a long way. Chapter 4. Security tape and tamper-evident seals. Low-tech, high-impact. Don't underestimate the power of the simple things. We're talking about security tape and tamper-evident seals. These bad boys are like a visual alarm system for your luggage. Security tape is your new best friend. Slap it along the seams of your bag or over the zipper. If someone tries to break in, they'll have to rip through that tape, leaving behind a trail of evidence. Tamper-evident seals are like those void-if-removed stickers, but for your luggage. They show if your bag has been tampered with, giving you some peace of mind. And here's a pro tip. Use bright-colored or personalized seals. Makes it even more obvious if someone's been messing with your stuff. Chapter 5. GPS trackers and smart luggage. Technology to the rescue. We live in a world of technology, people. So why not use it to our advantage? GPS trackers and smart luggage are game changers when it comes to luggage security. GPS trackers are like little guardian angels for your belongings. You slip one of these tiny devices into your bag and boom, you can track its location in real time. Some even send you alerts if your bag moves outside a designated area. Talk about peace of mind. And then there's smart luggage. These suitcases are like something out of a spy movie. Built-in GPS, USB charging ports, electronic locks you can control with your phone. They've got it all. Some even have proximity alerts. so you'll know if your bag is moving without your permission. Chapter 6. Don't check in what you can't afford to lose. Seriously, don't do it. This one should be a no-brainer, but you'd be surprised how many people make this mistake. Never, and I mean never, check in anything you absolutely cannot afford to lose. We're talking passports, money, electronics, jewelry, important documents, the works. Keep those essentials in your carry-on, where you can keep a close eye on them. And while you're at it, pack a change of clothes and some basic toiletries in your carry-on too. That way, if your checked bag decides to go on an adventure of its own, you'll at least have the essentials covered. Sometimes the best way to protect your belongings is to make them look less appealing. We're talking about going incognito with your luggage. And no, I don't mean stuffing it under a trench coat and talking in a funny voice. A luggage cover can be your best friend here. Opt for a design that makes your bag look worn out, old, or just plain uninteresting. The goal is to make it blend in with the crowd and not scream, "Hey, I'm full of expensive goodies." Slap some stickers on there too. A simple fragile sticker or some random travel stickers can work wonders. It's all about making your bag look less like a target and more like something that's been dragged around the world a few times. Before you even think about checking in that bag, channel your inner detective and document everything. I'm talking about a full-blown photo shoot of your luggage and its contents. First, take a picture of your packed bag. That way, if it gets lost or stolen, you have proof of what was inside. Next, make an inventory list. Write down all the valuable or essential items in your bag. This will come in handy if you need to file an insurance claim. Don't forget to snap a photo of the outside of your bag too. Get a good shot of any distinctive features or markings. This will help identify your bag if it gets lost in the shuffle. Last but not least, let's talk about travel insurance. I know, it's not the most exciting topic, but trust me, it's worth its weight in gold if something goes wrong. When you're choosing a travel insurance policy, pay close attention to the coverage for lost or stolen luggage. Some policies only cover the cost of replacing your luggage, while others also cover the value of the items inside. Make sure you understand your airline's baggage policy too. Some airlines offer compensation for delayed bags, but the amount can vary depending on the airline and the circumstances. Do your research, people. So there you have it, folks. 9 proven strategies to keep your luggage safe from those pesky baggage bandits. Remember, preventing luggage theft is all about being proactive. Don't wait until it's too late to take action. Travel is about exploring new places, experiencing new cultures, and creating memories that will last a lifetime. Don't let the fear of luggage theft hold you back from your next adventure. Now I want to hear from you. Have you ever been the victim of luggage theft? Or do you have any other tips and tricks to share with the community? Let me know in the comments below. And as always, thanks for watching.